There's just something magical about stepping outside on a frosty morning and seeing your garden bursting with colour, while everything else is grey and still. If your garden fades into the background once winter hits, don't worry. I used to think winter meant packing away my tools and waiting for spring too. But the truth? There are some amazing winter flowering plants that don't just survive the cold, they absolutely thrive, stealing the show while the rest of nature takes a break. Let's jump into my top 5 winter bloomers that turned my own winter garden from drab to dramatic. And trust me, you don't need to be an expert to get these beauties to perform. First up, hellebores. These are my ultimate winter lifesavers. While almost everything else is sleeping, hellebores push up through the frozen soil, offering up flowers in soft creams, deep purples, rosy pinks, even near black. They bloom from midwinter right into early spring. What I love most is how easy they are. Just a bit of compost in autumn, some dappled shade, and you're set. They come back every year, quietly doing their thing with almost no maintenance. Looking for a pop of yellow? Winter jasmine is your go-to. Its bright flowers show up on bare stems, lighting up even the dreariest days. This plant is incredibly tough. Just give it sun and well-drained soil, and it rewards you with weeks of blooms. I let mine cascade over a fence, but you can train it up a wall or trellis for a real burst of colour. No need to fuss over pruning, just a gentle trim after it flowers. Now, if you want something truly luxurious, camellias are hard to beat. Their glossy green leaves stay lush even in winter, but it's those big, showy blooms that really steal the stage. Reds, pinks, snowy whites. Some even have multiple colours. Camellias prefer slightly acidic soil and a bit of protection from harsh sunlight, but I just pop mine in containers with ericaceous compost and they do great. Water regularly, mulch with pine needles or leaf mould, and you'll have flowers from late autumn all through winter. Next up, snowdrops. These little white bells are usually the very first sign of life in my garden, sometimes even pushing right through the snow. Snowdrops like moist, well-drained soil and a bit of shade, and the trick is to plant them in the green, right after they finish blooming, but while their leaves are still fresh. Once they settle in, they multiply every year, creating beautiful drifts that brighten the coldest days. And finally, winter pansies. If you want instant colour, these are your friends. They come in every shade you can imagine. Deep blues, sunny yellows, velvety purples, and they just keep blooming even when it's icy. I love using them in pots, borders or window boxes. Just pick a sunny or partly sunny spot, keep the soil moist but not soggy, and deadhead the old flowers to keep the colour coming. So there you have it. 5 winter plants that prove your garden doesn't have to be dull when temperatures drop. With hellebores, winter jasmine, camellias, snowdrops, and winter pansies, you can turn the quietest season into a colourful show. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Nature's Blueprint for more gardening tips, and share this video with anyone you know who could use a little winter inspiration in their garden.